Kath. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we got a new little setup here. I'm feeling festive. It's a holiday season, so I wanted to show you guys not one, not two, not three, not one, no three. Okay, not one, not two, but three different hair looks that you can rock this holiday season, and honestly, any time of the year. But I think they're so cute for the holidays that you can just keep rotating them. They're really easy to go from one to the other and just have fun. And I'm so excited to be partnering up with Sephora on this video so I can share with you guys some of my favorite Sephora hair picks so we can talk about how to properly prepare our hair before heat styling so we can prevent heat damage. Okay, so before we get into it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the little bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video and you're not left behind. And then make sure you check the description box down below because it's gonna have all the information you're gonna need. Okay, alright, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start by preparing my hair with this MoroccanOil Hello Hydration Set. It comes with 4 pieces for head to toe hydration. So just taking the shampoo and conditioner to really cleanse, hydrate, and reduce frizz and add shine. This set is infused with argan oil to help revive dry hair, so I really like using this before applying heat. And oh my gosh, this line smells so amazing, guys. When applying the conditioner, I like to finger detangle as much as possible and then leave it in for a minute or two before rinsing it out. Before I ever do any heat styling, I want to make sure I'm masking or putting some kind of treatment into my hair to prepare it and give it all the nutrients that it needs. So today I was tied between the Olaplex No. 3 or BRIOGEO-Don't Despair Repair Mask. And then I ended up going with the BRIOGEO and leaving that in for about 30 minutes. After rinsing that out, I separated my hair and applied just a little bit of the MoroccanOil treatment to my hair. Really just a little goes a long way, but this is gonna help with frizz, flyaways, and dryness. Now I'm taking my DEVACURL DevaDryer and the round thermal brush from the Sephora collection and start blow drying in sections. To prevent putting too much heat to my hair, I like to keep the settings on medium heat and high speed. Yes, this may take a little longer, but I'd rather that than have to deal with heat damage. Position the brush at the root of your hair and start drying at a steady pace. I like taking my time with this process because a good blow dry is like the foundation of your look. So the sleeker it is, the less direct heat you have to apply with a straightener or curling iron. Once my hair is all dry, I'm taking the Sephora collection Sculpt infrared curling iron to start curling my hair in little sections. I keep the temperature around 380 degrees and only hold it on my hair for around 10 seconds to, again, avoid too much direct heat. To help each curl stay in place, I'm going to spray a little bit of the Bumble Spray Demode Flexible Hold Hairspray onto each section. Holding up the curl like this helps it hold its position, and then I like to clip the curls up for a few minutes so it holds that shape. And then of course, don't forget to have a karaoke break and jam out session. That is a priority, my friends. I love that with this curling iron, I can use it as a curling iron starting from the bottom and rolling up, or even like a curling wand and starting at the top and wrapping the hair around it for a different curl look. So I love that versatility. Now you can keep the curls as is, but I like to brush them out and finger comb through them so they have a little more of a natural look. And then once I'm done, I have my first finished look. Beautiful, bouncy, shiny curls that are great for any type of holiday event or anytime really. For look number 2, I'm just doing a quick half up and half down style by grabbing a section at the top of my hair and tying it with a hair elastic. Pretty simple, straightforward, but you can also add little bangs to this look if you want that too, and I think it'd be so cute. And then for look number 3, I'm going to pull aside 2 pieces in the front as bangs and then get a 2 to 3 inch section on each side of my head to make 2 braids. I'm pulling the rest of my hair back and out of the way so I can start braiding, and then when done, just add a rubber band to the end and start tugging at the braid like this to open it up and make it wider. pin both pieces back with bobby pins, and then head back to the bangs to curl them, and then you are done. How cute is this look and how easy was that? This is one of my favorites and honestly one I'll be rocking a lot. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you like these really simple, cute hairstyles that I put together using some of my favorite holiday picks from Sephora. Make sure you guys check the description box down below because all the products will be linked there as always. And I hope you guys love these hairstyles too. I feel like they're super quick and easy to just keep rotating and keep playing around with. And honestly, you can do these any time of the year, not just the holidays. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and press the little subscribe button and then hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post new videos and you're not left behind. And I will see you in the next one. I love you guys. Mwah. Be blessed.